In this lesson, we will improve the selection of the back control. So as of right now, it's very difficult to select this control. However, we can create another shape and attach that to this control, and it'll be just fine. Let's move over to our top view. We'll grab our line tool, and we'll just snap to grid. We'll create a square. All right, we'll close the spline. Let's go ahead and exit our line tool. We'll also turn off grid snapping. Let's move back to our perspective view. And we'll use Shift A to align this to our back control and press F3 to take a look at its scale. This actually works pretty well. If anything, you might want to scale this up a little bit more so the control doesn't intersect with the character shirt, but that's not a big deal simply because it's still easy to go in and grab this control, and that's what counts. Alright, so now, pressing F3, let's go ahead and select the back control and head over to our Modify panel. Remember, this object is an editable spline, so we can easily go ahead and attach this new object to it. When we exit our Attach tool and take a look, we can start to move our back control around and everything will work just fine. So if I were to go back to Layers and show our bone objects, you can see that everything is going to work properly. Very nice. Alright, so that's all we really needed to do to improve its selection. Since this is a control object, let's go ahead and give this a prefix of anim. So it's going to be anim underscore spine flexi. Great. Alright, well, we are just about finished with the flexi rig for the spine. In the next lesson, we're going to do a progress check just to make sure everything is working correctly before we move on to another area.